Alright YouTube, today just going to take a video of before the intake stock in my Ford F-150 here, replacing it with the AFE Magnum 4 Stage 2 dry filter intake. So you can see there's the stock, just a list of some parts air related that have already. I have some Mustang headers down there, if you can see. They're the shorty headers, and then I got a dual exhaust in the back, which don't know if it'll change the note or not, but we'll let you see that as well. Alright, let's go ahead and start it. I'll give it at idle and then rev it up too. Alright. Pretty quiet, as you can see here. Just gonna set the camera right here, let you get a Alright, F-150 owner, so get excited. Here's the unboxing of the AFE. Well, I opted to get the dust cover, I guess you could call it, or heat cover, to cover up the intake, so that'll also keep out all the heat soak and whatnot. It'll probably lighten the sound a little bit, but it's all preference there. So in the big box, so you got some rubber elbow, plenty of wrapping. They wrapped that cover in 2 boxes, so it's very secure, and plus FedEx left it out in the rain, so it didn't get through the box, luckily. More rubber fittings. You got the tube here, the main tube, that's where your MAF goes, and there's some more tubes. Looks like you get a license plate cover. Oh, real neat, with stickers and everything. Clamps. There's another piece for where probably where the air filter goes. And the box, yeah, that will be the air filter in there. I got the actual dry filter for mine. So you can either get the old or the dry. I like the dry filters myself because well, some people think it has a tendency to get all over your MAF and everything. But once again, that's preference and rumor. I don't think it's been scientifically proven or anything like that. And then you got the big old box, and that's probably the heaviest part of it. So one thing I noticed about the instructions, though, is it uses the bottom of your actual stock intake. Alright, I'll let you see this once we get it in, and hopefully I can get it in before my wife comes home so she doesn't see I bought some more car parts. Anyway. Alright, so I got it installed. It wasn't too hard. The hardest part was I had to take it back apart because the cover has to be screwed in, but didn't know that at the time, so that was the hardest part, getting all that situated, and then the clamps situated to where they need to be. Alright, I'll start it up, let y'all hear it. That there. Sounds like you got a little wow to it or something. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I gotta readjust these, maybe cut this a little bit and figure out what's going on to clean that up. I mean, I like the way it used the bottom, used the clamps. It looks almost factory. Something I don't like is the fact it uses a lot of rubber in between. But I mean, probably other intakes do that as well. I think this will do a good job. Thanks, guys.